yesterday morning because it's very warm outside. The only thing I can do is to spend my free time making accessories, and then I selected one kind of accessory that I'm going to be busy with, and that is earring. Earring is also one important accessory for a woman. And so here, I hung them all, the one that I made yesterday. That's one day that I made. So I'm going to show you some of them. These are very simple one, not so very long. Just like here, it's a black one. And you can see it's a very simple one. And I use a nice decoration on top. Small one. And then it's a little bit bigger, and this is square. And then here I have a kind of a special effect with it. And then I have also golden beads, three small one that I use. And then a much more longer golden earring is this one here. And then it also have a different parts of it. I have here a small, and then this one is a special kind of beads that is with design. And here is around studded with different kinds of glitter, and then another small one here. And that is very nice to use this one with the simple dress, especially when you go out in the evening. And this one is also a nice one for the summer. This one is blue, different shade of blue and a little bit of light green, and that is also good for summer. And then I had in here, I think I have it already a few days or few weeks ago. This one is a round one. It's all made with golden beads, and in the middle I add this very tiny pearl just to break the color of the gold and also the size. And you can blend it with other accessories that you're wearing. And this one here is another one. This one is a very simple one, around and a cube shape of beads, and that is also very nice to wear. This one here, and I have here a green one. I'm going to try to make a small real arrow of this one that I made. And this one is a very cute little one. And here I'm going to go at the back. And here is a combination of pink and black. Pink and black. This is a kind of baby pink. And then this one is a black beads. It's a good combination also, the two together. And the last one I'm going to show you is this one. This one is very light gray, small beads. And then I also add here around the circular beads that is also made of different kinds of colors. So these are the things that I made yesterday from morning up to the evening in my free time. So I hope you're going to have a very nice day. Take care, especially with the warm weather or rainy season there in the Philippines. God bless you all, and a happy weekend.